and unfortunately there were no survivors.
Again, we're here at NBC News in New York. I'm Kate Snow, and we're reporting on the tragic death of Kobe Bryant, killed in a helicopter crash along with 4 other passengers. We don't yet know who those 4 other passengers were. I want to go back one last time to Mike Tirico before we go back to sports. Mike, of course, is our sports anchor. Mike, this is a person who, to me, seemed like a mentor to others, seemed to really care about the future of the sport.
Kate, that was definitely part of the final chapter of Kobe Bryant as a player and then emerging into as a businessman over time here. There were times, go back to when he and Shaquille O'Neal, in the year after Michael Jordan won 6 titles in 8 years, the next 3 years were dominated, 1 year space in between, by 3 consecutive titles with Shaquille O'Neal and Kobe Bryant. And a lot of the story was after that, could they get along together, and that they were maybe too big for each other. And in a later chapter, as Kobe won another title after that, 2 more titles after that in 2009 and 2010, I think after that you started to see Kobe become more of a mentor to some of the players he was around, to the star players in the league. And certainly in this business venture that was the end of his career and post, Kobe was trying to help his people who touched him, really, as a platform to tell their story and to do good storytelling. He was involved in some media projects as well, and was very much involved in the next chapter.
Mike, there were a couple of films, Dear Basketball and Kobe Bryant's Muse. I believe he won awards for at least some of that work, so that was part of his latest chapter.
That is correct, and that's what I was referring to when we discussed the next chapter of his career involving some production. He ended up winning an Oscar for one of the awards that he ended up winning, one of the films, the short film Dear Basketball, which was essentially a poem that he put, and that really did explain